Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are doing another unboxing video. As you can see here, we have a box of AirPods Pro 3. I just picked these up from the store the other day. My original AirPods Pro ended up dying on me after about 3 years and change of some pretty rough use, I'd say, between using them for running, working out, and just some day-to-day use and the occasional drop here and there. So we can see the box looks nice and tight. Price point here is $249. I utilized my military discount on Apple, and I ended up picking them up for about $238 after taxes. So to start unboxing them, you have these tabs right here, and they should just slide right out. You can see here says designed by Apple in California, and then you have this little tab to pull them out, and then these look like the extra earbuds you have to get them fitted in. Now, from what I was told, these do use the USB-C cable to charge. You just pull it out of here. Oh, and there they are. So it looks like there's a little spot here. I don't know what this is for, but it looks like you could slip like a piece of rope through there so you don't lose it. And then I believe these ones, they also allow for, they play a noise. So if you lose them for the case for whatever reason, you can find them a little more easily. And then this also uses USB-C, and you can also use a wireless charger to charge this up. But I'm excited to start using these. Not having AirPods has actually been a little bit detrimental in the sense that when I'm running, I have to listen to other people, or if I'm studying, people can approach me assuming I would want to have a conversation or something like that. But I usually just wear my AirPods so I don't get bothered, so people know I'm actually busy doing work and whatnot, and also so I don't get distracted. But that's all I have for now. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.